If you didn't want to set up the face groups in Blender because Blender isn't gelling well with your personality, you can also use Daz Studio for this. It's just a little bit more fiddly. I just wanted to show you where and how to do that. This is with the joint editor tool here, or under tools, geometry editor here. And then with the tool settings selected, this is where the face groups are. So you could go and let's pick a piece. It's a little bit hard to see here, but it's this hingy bit here. So let's say we wanted to set that up as a face group. You can go and pick this first icon here, which is the polygon selection, and then you go and left click over an area that you want the face group to become. You don't have to do this completely manually. Thankfully, there are tools that are similar to what Blender has, but it's just a matter of getting used to them. So as soon as you click, you start making a new selection. If you wanted to add to the selection, you hold down Control. And if you want to remove from an existing selection, you can press Alt as you do that. It's also probably a good idea to switch this over to wire texture shaded, just so that you can see that you get an impression of the geometry here. But if you wanted to select connected pieces like we did in Blender with the L, you can do that here as well. You right click over something like a selection that you've already made. One polygon is enough. And then under geometry selection, there's all these options here. There's invert and grow and shrink. And the one that we need is select connected. If you click that, then it's similar to what Blender has done with the L option. So it selects everything in and around that geometry. And then once again, if we want to do that here as well, hold down Control to add to the selection, and then with Control still held down, right click on here, and then under geometry selection, select connected, and that will add that piece to my selection. And now it's a hingy bit that I could rig if I wanted to. So to turn this into a face group, then just click on face groups here, right click on it, and then say create face group from selected. And I can go and give it a name. It's the hingy bit thing, whatever. And then that becomes a selectable face group that I can now go and rig up. Just thought I'd let you know.